Welcome to another video, guys. Eliana, how are you?
I'm good.
Where are we going now? We're going for the
G2 test.
this video. I never done that before. Now, just before the road test, we have about an hour before the road test, and we already practice. I usually with my students, what I do is I warm them up a little bit before the road test. So we did some exercise, and now Eliana will show you step by step how to do lane changes, how to make left and right turns on the traffic lights. That's just before the road test. And also, we're going to show you how to maintain the speed. Eliana, are you ready? Let's go. Pay closely attention, guys, because Eliana will show you exactly what she's going to do on the test and also how to maintain the speed. It's very important. I have so many questions how to maintain the speed, and we will try to explain in this video. So try not to escape. In this video, you will know how to do this step by step. Left. So we are in the school zone. Usually school zone, they have a speed of 40. So pay attention on the speed limit. And now we have a little bit construction. So we need to maintain the speed and look on the construction workers. See, guys, the trucks are covering the stop sign. So every time you're passing the truck and there is intersection, slow down, make sure you see what's going on. Eliana, enjoy it. You're going for your test. Also, guys, if you would like to see her mock test, she passed. She did very good on the mock test. She is my student. You start learning just from me, right? So we're gonna make a right turn on the traffic light. As you can see, guys, there is a pedestrian crossing, and Eliana didn't start moving because he's walking, and we need to wait until he will cross to our side. Let's go. So as soon as he crosses, we can start moving, right, Eliana?
Yeah.
And when we're turning right to the right. So when it's safe, change the lane to the left. Watch the steps, guys. She put the signal first. She looked at the rear view mirror and then blind spot. And as you can see, it's clear, so she can pass. She can change the lane with no problem. What's the speed limit in this area?
50.
Correct. So that's, by the way, we are on the way to Metro East Test Center. When it's safe, change the lane to the left. So as you can see, guys, here is curve. She will wait until the car will getting more straight, so it's easier to see. No rush on the lane changes, and we can change now. just remember 100 meters before and 100 meters after the intersection, we cannot change the lane. So if you couldn't change now, you can pass the intersection, the traffic light, and then change. Also, we have so much construction now, so we need to be more careful. Eliana, you're doing great. So we're gonna change the lane to the right. I see construction ahead. So what we have to do, you have to, if you have the same thing on the test, try to change the lane by yourself. You don't need to wait for any instructions. Yeah, step a little bit on the gas. People waiting. Let's go. Oh, he's aggressive. No, 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 no. He was just a little bit aggressive. Let's go. Just patience. Let's go. Slightly. Keep on moving. Just a little bit longer to wait, right? And yeah, the light changed. So you see, he didn't let you go. So you just wait a little bit longer on your lane. You don't need to rush to move in. Great position on your hands. Are you relaxed on your arms?
Yeah.
That's the key to maintain the car in your lane. Okay. Remember, when you start moving, just check left and right on intersection. Okay. Just to make sure that the examiner can see that you're checking before you moving. Change the lane to the right. So how are you feeling about the lane changes?
Good.
Good, right? The key is the speed, right? So we need to be up to the speed, as you can see, guys, and also to make sure that we're checking before we changing the lane, correct? Now, because we're going downhill, what you have to do is not to hold the brake all the time like other people do. You just slow down, let it roll, right? Because the car will accelerate by himself. So you don't need to do anything. And just to control the speed. You see, you went a little bit over, slightly on the brake, and then let it go again. Now, if you're on the test and you went a little bit over by 2 3 kilometers, don't worry about it. That's not a failure. Just don't go over 10%, meaning that if you on zone 50, if you go 55, you're still okay, but try not to go over. This video, guys, you asked me for a long time just to make sure, like, to do the lane changes, and like I was reading your comments, and that's why we're doing today, and especially before Eliana's mock road test. Change the lane to the left. Beautiful control on the speed. Guys, if you'd like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and so more people can see. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Eliana, did you subscribe to my channel?
Yeah.
Good. Did you watch videos before yesterday?
Yes, I did. And I rewatched my mock test.
And you rewatch your mock test? Your mock test was amazing. I was very happy with you on the mock test. You're welcome. You need to be confident to go for the road test because the mock test was great. Check the intersection. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Keep the car straight. And we're gonna make a left turn on the first traffic light. Make sure you're a little bit like closer to the left side, okay? Because you were kind of on the line, so we have to move inside. What's the speed limit here?
30.
No, it's 40.
Okay.
So every time you're turning, make sure you're not missing the posted speed limit, because now you're guessing, right? We're gonna make a left on the traffic light. So this is the second left turn on the traffic light. The first one was kind of easy, right? There was no cars coming. But remember, if you the first car, what do you need to do?
Pull up a little.
You rolling to the center and you wait there if the traffic is coming, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go left to the left. Let's go. Left to the left lane. Perfect. And as you can see here, the speed is will be 60. So we need to accelerate. And don't forget, when you go left to the left, what do you need to do?
Change to the right.
Change to the right. Yeah, once you up to the speed and when it's safe. Correct. So you see, good. Keep on going. Perfect. Nice. So remember, left lane is a passing lane, right lane is a driving, right? So speed is, as you can see, guys, perfect. And here is the speed limit. So every street, different speed, right? So guys, this is how we do the lane changes. Change the lane to the right when it's safe. And remember, guys, you are the one that make a decision when it's safe to change the lane. You need to understand that examiner or instructors will give you the instructions, but you as a driver make a decision. We're gonna pull out after this traffic light. I want you to go to this gas station, and that's going to be the end of this video. Pass the intersection over here and slow down and go inside. And just pull over on the side over here. Yeah, go a little bit more forward. Yeah, just a little bit more and closer to this side and just pull over just like that. Perfect. Okay, park the car. Thank you, Eliana, to show us. Okay, that was good. How you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Do you think you can do it? We all wish you good luck. I will be with you. Guys, if you have any questions, you can just leave me a comment. I will try to reply. I will try my best to give you all the answers that you're looking for. Eliana, like before the test, do you have any questions? Like, because we are just very close going into. No? You good? We did all the practice before. And that's about that, guys, in this video. So thanks for watching, and please hit that like button and subscribe. I will really appreciate. I'm doing my best to answer and do these videos for you guys. So good luck to you, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.